Hello everyone, welcome to LCM and HCF exercise part 8. In this exercise, we are going to do questions that how to find the LCM of two or more numbers, how to find the HCF of two or more numbers, relationship between LCM and HCF, and miscellaneous questions. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purpose only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and owner of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concern or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Now these are the formulas. Product of two numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Least number when divided by A, B, C and D leaves remainder X, Y, Z and W respectively, where the difference of AX, BY, CZ and DW is same. Then in that case, the least number is equal to LCM of ABCD minus difference. Least number when divided by ABCD and leaves remainder R in each case. So the number is equal to LCM of ABCD plus remainder R. Then HCF of fractions is equal to HCF of numerator upon LCM of denominator. And LCM of factors is equal to LCM of numerator upon HCF of denominators. These are the formulas. The HCF of 560 and one other number is 70 and their LCM is 2800. The other number is, options are 840, 350, 700 and 280. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution for you. Now, using formula 1.1, we know that the product of numbers, that is first number into second number, is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Now the first number in the question was 560 and second number we have to find. HCF was 70 and LCM was 2800. So 560 into second number equal to 70 into 2800. From there, the second number is equal to 70 into 2800 upon 560. That is 2800 upon 8 is equal to 350. So option number B, 350 is the correct answer. The HCF of 296 and other number is 74 and their LCM is 2072. The other number is, and options are 1036, 518, 592 and 148. These are the options. Now, we know that according to formula 1.1, product of numbers, first number into second number is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Now the first number in the question was 296 and second number we have to find. That is equal to LCM, that is 2072 and HCF is 74. So second number is equal to 2072 into 74 upon 296. That is equal to 2072 upon 4. So 518 is the second number. Option number B is the correct answer. The LCM of two numbers is 42 times their HCF. The sum of LCM and HCF is 602. If one from them is 84, then find the other number. And options are 98, option B 78, option C 87 and option D 89. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. Now, it was given that LCM is 42 times their HCF. That means LCM is equal to 42 into HCF. Sum of LCM and HCF was given 602. So LCM plus HCF is 602. Now, HCF into 42 plus HCF is equal to 602 because LCM was equal to HCF into 42. So putting the value of LCM in this equation, we get HCF into 42 plus HCF equal to 602. HCF is common. So 42 plus 1 will remain inside the bracket, that is equal to 602. So HCF is equal to 602 upon 43, that is 14. That means 14 is the HCF. Now according to formula 1.1, product of numbers, that is first number into second number, should be equal to LCM into HCF. First number was 84 because it was given in the question that one from them is 84. Second number we have to find, that is equal to, now HCF is 14 and LCM is 42 times of 14. So 14 into 42 into 14 is the product of LCM and HCF. Therefore, the second number is equal to 14 into 42 into 14 upon 84. That is equal to 98. That means the second number or the other number is 98. Option number A is the correct answer. Find the HCF and the LCM of 60 and 72 respectively. Options are 16 and 360, 12 and 260, 12 and 360, and 10 and 360. These are the options. Now, to find the HCF of 60 and 72, we can use the factorization method. So the prime factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, and factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So HCF is equal to 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. And to find the LCM, we can also use factorization method here also. Factors were 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 of 60 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 of 72. Therefore, the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, that is 360 is the LCM. Therefore, HCF is 12 and LCM is 360. That means option number C was the correct answer. The HCF of two numbers is 110 and their product is 29, 2,90,400. The LCM of these numbers is how much? And options are option number A 90, 80, option number B 39, 60, option number C 1320, and option number D 2640. These are the options, and I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution for you. Now, according to formula 1.1, LCM into HCF is equal to the first number into second number. Here, HCF was 110 and the product was already given 2,90,400. So LCM into 110 equal to 290,400. So LCM becomes 290,400 upon 110, that is 2,640 is the LCM. That means option number D was the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 7:11 and their HCF is 8. What is the LCM of these numbers? Options are 1540, option number B 924, option number C 616, and option number D 308. Now, according to the question, the ratio of numbers was 7:11. Therefore, we can assume the numbers to be 7x and 11x. So HCF of 7x and 11x is x, because x can divide 7x also and 11x also. But here the HCF is 8. That means x is 8. So the numbers are 8 into 7, 56, and 8 into 11, 88. So we have got the numbers and HCF is 8 already. So to find the LCM, we can use formula 1.1. And according to that formula, LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. So LCM into HCF, that is 8, is equal to 56 into 88. So LCM is equal to 56 into 88 upon 8, that is 11 into 56, that is 616. So the LCM of these numbers is 616. Option number C was the correct answer. Next is that the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 1,71,360 and 14 respectively. If one from them is 2,142, then find the other number. And options are 12,240, option number B 4,128, option number C 1,120, and option number D 80. Now, formula 1.1 says that LCM into HCF is equal to product of two numbers, first number into second number. LCM was given, that is 1,71,360, and HCF was already given in the question, that is 14. So into 14 is equal to first number was 2,142 and we have to find the second number. So from here, the second number becomes equal to 1,71,360 into 14 upon 2,142, that is 1,120. So option number C is the correct answer. If the LCM and HCF of two integers are 2,184 and 2 respectively, and one from them is 78, then find the other number. And options are option number A 78, option number B 56, option number C 34, and option number D 68. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, let the other number is X. And we know that according to formula 1.1, product of numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. So 78 was the number given already in the question, and X is the other number that we have assumed. So 78 into X is equal to LCM was 2,184 and LCM was 2. So from here, the value of X is 2,184 into 2 upon 78. That is 56 is the value of X. So option number B was the correct answer. If the product of two numbers is 3026 and their LCM is 89, then find their HCF. And options are 33, 34, 35, and 29. These are the options. Now, as per the formula 1.1, product of numbers is equal to LCM into HCF. Product was already given in the question, that is 3026. LCM was given 89 and we have to find the HCF. So from here, HCF becomes equal to 3026 upon 89. That is 34 is the HCF. Option number B is the correct answer. If the product of two numbers is 4,941 and their LCM is 81, then what is their HCF? And options are 60, 59, 35, and 61. These are the options. Now, we know that the formula 1.1 says that product of two numbers is LCM into HCF. Product was already given 4,941. LCM was 81. So HCF becomes equal to 4,941 upon 81. That is 61. So option number D, 61 is the correct answer. The ratio of two numbers is 8:9 and their HCF is 6. Then their LCM will be option A 432, option B 48, option C 54, and option D 432. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. Now, according to the question, HCF of both the numbers was 6 and the numbers were in ratio 8:9. Therefore, the first number is 8 into 6, that is 48, and second number is 9 into 6, that is 54. So we have got the numbers. Now we are going to use formula 1.1. That is LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. LCM is 48 and HCF is 6. So 6 into LCM. First number was 48 and second number was 54. So LCM is equal to 48 into 54 upon 6. That is 432 is the LCM. Option number A is the correct answer. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 616 and 2 respectively. If one of them is 22, then find the other number. Options are 87, 56, 116, and 36. These are the options. Now, let the other number is Y. Then as per the formula 1.1, LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. So LCM was 20. So one of the numbers was 22 and other number is Y. So 22 into Y is equal to LCM was 616 and HCF was 2. So from here, y becomes 616 into 2 upon 22, that is 56. So option number B, 66 is the correct answer. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 7 and 252 respectively. If one is 28, then find the other number. Options are 252, 63, 126, and option number D is 56. Now, because we know that LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number according to formula 1.1. So HCF was 7 and LCM was 252. So 7 into 252 is equal to product of numbers, and one of the numbers was 28. That means 28 into other number or second number. So from here second number becomes 7 into 252 upon 28. 7 4 is 28, and when you will divide 252 by 4, you get 63. That means the other number was 63. Option number B is the correct answer. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 3 and 2730 respectively. If one is 78, then find the other number. Option A 107, option B 103, option C 105, and option D 102. These are the options. And I'm giving you 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. After that, I will do the solution. Now, according to the question, HCF was 3 and LCM was 2730. First number or one of the number was 78. We have to find the second number. So to find the second number, we can use formula 1.1. The formula says that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So therefore, N2 is equal to LCM into HCF upon N2 from formula. So N2 is equal to LCM was 2730 and HCF was 3 upon N1 was 78. So N2 is 105. Option number C is the correct answer. Next is HCF of two numbers is 19 and their LCM is 665. If one of them is 95, then find the other number, and options are 19, 133, 190, and option number D is 77. And you have 10 seconds to find out the correct answer. Now let the other number is N. As per formula 1.1, LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. One of the number was 95, another number is N. So 95 into N is equal to LCM into HCF. LCM was 665 and HCF was 19. So N is equal to 19 into 665 upon 95. That is 665 upon 5. So N becomes 133. That means the other number was 133. Option number B is the correct answer. The LCM and HCF of two numbers are 3 and 2001 respectively. If one is 69, then find the other number. And options are 58, 87, 29, and 23. Now, according to formula 1.1, product of numbers, that is first number into second number, should be equal to LCM into HCF. First number was 69 and we have to find the second number. LCM was given in the question, that is 2001. So 2001 into HCF was 3 into 3. Second number is 2001 into 3 is 6003 upon 69. So 87 is the answer. That means second number was 87. The 87. Option number B is correct. So these were the questions. I hope that you have understood the questions well. Thank you very much for joining the session.